Hello friends, welcome to another video series on my YouTube channel. And in this video series, we will understand a CRUD operation on Firebase database using Node.js and Express. And by the end of this video series, we will able to create an API to do the CRUD operation on the Firebase database. So let's first see the demonstration of the working. So I have a create document. So when I'll hit first, let me run this, Okay, now when I hit the endpoint create document with appropriate information, it will create a document, and we can verify the document creation by going into Firebase and inside my Cloud Firestore database, and we can see the document is created under the user information. We can get all the documents. We can get a document with where condition. So let me run this as well. Okay, let me check with some other name. Since it doesn't exist, it will send an empty document list. Then we can update documents. Okay, let me first grab the ID of the document. Then we can update the document. Okay, so let's verify that. You can see the name is changed, and then finally we can delete the document as well. Okay, so see you in the next part of the video series, where we will start building the same application and build the APIs to perform CRUD operation on Firebase data store. If you like my work, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps. Thank you for watching. Peace.